How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. These are the wire concealers from the brand Bestong. It comes in both small widths and large widths in black and white. The one I have here is white in large. These kits comes with a number of pieces of wire concealers and different kinds of connectors. You can either drill holes into the wall and attach them with screws, or personally I prefer to use tape because it makes it not as permanent in case you want to remove them later. Here's everything that comes in the kit. You have 8 pieces of straight runway, 4 corner pieces, 7 straight connectors, a T connector, an inner corner connector, and an outer corner connector. It also comes with enough screws and posts to put 2 screws in each long runway. Looking at the cross section, this is the back of the runway. You simply just pull it out to access the channel. You put your wire in here. Afterwards, you put the cover on and it's concealed. The large size measures about 1 3/16 inch wide by 15 11/16 inch long with a depth of about 5/8 of an inch. Because there's 8 pieces, if you put one of these connector pieces between each long piece, you can make a really long runway. This particular brand of wire concealer has a little tab right here. It wants you to use this piece of plastic to clip the top piece on. Similarly for the other one. And it goes on just like that. Here I've connected 4 pieces of the straightaway with 3 of these connectors, and we can join them together with one more over here. That's just an option that you have to make one really long cable concealer. One option is to use the forward corner piece like so. You can either go over a corner. With this piece, you can go in the inside of a corner, so you can butt up against a wall like this. There's also a T piece, so you can do this as well, or just a corner piece, so you can make a 90-degree turn. I'm going to use the taping method. Apply tape all along the back edge. And now we're ready to apply this to the wall. I have the end of another cable concealer project over here. It's a different size. I'm going to continue with this Bestong cable concealer over here. Just remove the tape. And I'm going to put on the cover just so that I can butt it up against the corner over here. And make sure that it fits. Just kind of butt it up in there and press down. Now I can remove the cover if I want, and it'll go back right in. Yep. I was tempted to put the straightaway connector, but then it actually doesn't make it as clean. I'm just going to butt up straight against it, and it'll look like one continuous piece. Put this wire here, close it up. Try not to touch the sticky tape too much. And the final piece. And it just so happens that it fits the corner piece perfectly. So if you're gonna use a connector piece, you gotta make sure you put that in there because it needs a little bit more room along the wall. So it's not gonna be completely flush. And we just need to add one more piece to have it snake along the wall. Slip it into this corner, and then we just push it up against the wall. This is clean enough already because all that wire runs behind this speaker system, and there's a bunch of wires there anyway. If I kind of look up on this, if you don't really look at it very closely, you don't see that there's a discontinuity right there. So it's kind of invisible if you just kind of glance at it. If you want to make things look really neat, this is something to think about. Check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.